back with Let's Play 6. Yeah, Let's Play 6. Well, episode 6. But okay. Glad to show you that the wolf has all grown up. I don't know what his name is gonna be yet, but leave a comment and a like, and I'll be sure to look at it. Okay, let me go get some more wood from this little forest. And okay. And I hope y'all like the editing. I'm starting to be able to learn how to, use it. Still not that good yet. It's got a whole bunch of more features that I didn't try yet. So I hope y'all do sub and stay and wait to see what I add. And I learned how to fast forward, as you see on that, on episode 4, I believe. I fast forwarded a lot, like a lot. Okay. It's funny how the spider just does so much damage. Okay, as you see, there's the swamp biome. I don't expect myself to go in there, but it's looking kind of weird how it's mixed in with the other part. Okay, guys. Yeah, okay. Let's get some of this dark blue. These are uglier. Well, not uglier. It's not the type of wood that I like to use. It does look nice on some things. Let me see if Alright, I'm gonna put this up so I can eat it later. This is an easy way just to get down. I don't know why I just wanted to put a circle and just hurt myself. Okay. Let me. Okay, I don't have no. I just put sticks for right now. I don't have no coal. So, what happened to my coal? But I'm still thinking, like, we're just gonna dig down deeper and make a little base where I keep my stuff at. Yeah. Oh, how we doing? Okay. I'm not gonna bring dog with me because I don't want it to get hurt and I have a tendency of hitting it. Thought I saw a couple of creepers or something. Okay. This is the part that I never wanted to really build or tear down. Might as well start tearing these trees down over on this side. And yeah. And, what I was about to say? Yeah, and I am gonna start naming the episodes what they're about so y'all can know. They all are in my Let's Play playlist. So yeah. Hope y'all enjoy the music as well. Instrumental Loyal. Got it offline. Might do it differently. There goes a zombie right at my face. Okay. Oh. That's it. What he dropped? Oh, he didn't drop nothing. Okay. Let's continue getting this wood. I still haven't seen the Enderman, but I heard him. I don't know. I know what that spider is at, but I'm not about to take no chances. Nice little hillside right there. Okay. And maybe I'm gonna put a crafting table out there so I gotta keep running in and out. I know y'all getting tired of me going in and out like that. Alright. Let's make this a lot more slabs. And I think we'll, yeah, okay. This is probably just enough. Yes, I'm still in my sister's house, so if y'all hear any beeps, Very sorry. Okay. Let's continue. Come on now. Okay. Right there. This one. Put the height in it. Well, heighten it. Okay. Where is off? Where is off? Alright. Now I will. Alright. Like this. Okay, where am I? I kinda. Sorry for lag. I don't know why it's lagging so bad. But okay. Hope I have had enough. And depending. Let me see. Okay, yeah, I just put the sides in. Yeah, I'm gonna put them like that. Okay. Kinda hard aiming with the pointer. But alright. Then we're gonna go in the inside. See how it is? I am gonna put torches up here. Because mobs can spawn on the top of houses if y'all didn't know that. But okay. Yeah. I'm gonna get ready to I'm gonna put this right there. Okay. Sorry for the lag. And yeah, it's actually looking nice in the inside. Okay, let me just destroy this. Because it's kind of in the air thing. If nothing is in there. Alright, that's better. Alright. Oh no, let me see. Gotta make more sticks. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's put him in this cage. Or doghouse, as I like to call it. So, let's see. Okay, he's not gonna. Okay. Okay. I guess I gotta make it further away from the house. I'm gonna have to rebuild it and make it bigger. Okay. Let's keep going. Alright, I'm about to just fix this little part on the top of the roof real quick. Alright, yeah. No, not that part. Alright, this part. I'm gonna put, yeah, spruce. Really. Okay. Then I'm gonna put one like this. On each side. Make sure I got a little, design to it. Okay. I'm gonna have to go get some cows. And you come on. Come on. Can you come on, please? Okay. Let me see what happened when I should teleport. Okay, there he is. Oh my god. Alright, sit. Thank you. Well, you can pay finally listen. Okay. I don't want to do no work right there for now. I'm just really just working on the outside. Okay. And let me kill these cows. Yes, I will kill you, bro. Sorry, but I need food. And if I have enough leather, I will make something. Some leather. Let's see, okay, there go a pig. It's actually what we kinda needed here. Really, the pig drops nothing. It dropped nothing. Never really had that happen to me in a while. Oh, and there is another forest over here where wolves spawned out. I didn't know that. Never went that way. But right now I'm just looking for food. You're gonna die. It would be a baby pig too. Hopefully. Okay, that's a baby. Well, I got so many babies spawning. Baby smashing. Okay. Yeah. And I will make a little walk away in the next video and destroy all these grass seeds. And probably will make make something, a farm probably, or holding for my animals. But I'm gonna end the video here, guys. See you later.